I just don't get it. I thought she was my friend. She thinks I'm ugly? What did I do to her?
Oh, you know that's not true. I know you are beautiful, and I know what can help you. This is what I got when a classmate teased me for getting a bad grade on my test once. Every time I feel down, I hug my plushie.
Welcome to RBA Factory.
Wow, this is amazing. How does this work?
Regina, we know you're not having a great day, but we want you to know that we're here for you.
You can choose one of our positive plushies. Here's the order form.
The form is easy and fast to fill in. I'll be right here with you.
Use our checklist to fill in what kind of plushie you'd like. Then tell us what you're going through. Our positive staff will respond with an inspiring message that will be included with their plushie.
She wants a stuffed animal, and she wants it to be small.
Okay.
Dear Regina, I heard you were called ugly by a good friend. That must have hurt so bad. I was bullied like that too. If you feel like your world is collapsing or like your life is going downhill, just remember that you're stronger than you think you are. It will never leave your side. We hope it brings you joy, happiness, and hope. We're here for you always. Love, RBA Factory.
Welcome to RBA Factory. We take pride in receiving gently used plushies that are donated to our company for someone else.
You can pick a plushie of our choice, whether it's used or new. You can fill out a plushie form and we'll know which one you want, what you're going through, and if you want a note to go with.
Bring your worries to RBA Factory and leave with positivity.
RBA Factory, the right bears for all.